Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. My name is Stephen Broll and today I'm going to be giving a brief presentation on where I believe the future of big data is headed. First and foremost, before I jump into my speculations, I think I should first explain what big data is for those of you still not clear on the term. Simply put, big data refers to a modern movement in which data specialists and IT managers seek to find new and improved ways to manage and gain insight from a large amount of data. The primary goal of big data research is to help companies decrease costs and increase efficiency. So now that you have a general understanding what big data is, now I think we are ready to dive into my speculations on where it may be headed in the next 5 years. As I mentioned, big data is all about managing large amounts of data. So it goes without saying that if companies are dealing with large amounts of data now, they'll most definitely be dealing with even larger amounts of data in the future. Therefore, my first speculation is that data will continue to grow. And as data grows, I speculate additionally that we also see a higher demand in big data related careers. Data analysts and scientists will most likely be the top paying titles in the industry as time goes on. The abilities of a specialist to interpret a company's data can make a night and day difference to their profits. And alternatively to hiring data specialists, I also believe AI will also come in and make a change as well. Artificial intelligence will basically pick up where humans fall short. It'll fill in the gaps. And with recent advancements in neural networks as well as machine learning, AI will be able to do the job of a dozen or more specialists. And in addition to that, I also believe data will be easier to analyze thanks to the work of data specialists as well as artificial intelligence. What may have required the experience and expertise of a specialist years ago may not anymore thanks to the advancements of our technology now. And thus companies will then benefit from that as well by gathering more useful information from their data. If artificial intelligence is able to find patterns and trends and point those out easier than a specialist can, or if a specialist is able to interpret something that wasn't previously seen, then companies will definitely gather a lot more out of their data than they previously did before. And advancements in technology will just be furthering that. Which, in addition to that, advancements in technology will also encourage companies to invest more in big data technology. Because if they continue to benefit and they're seeing results and they're able to modify their operations based on what they're seeing in their studies, then they're definitely going to continue investing in it. And unfortunately, my final point, while there's a lot to benefit from big data, and a lot of companies will benefit from big data, there will also be many companies that will also be hurt by some of their actions taken in their quest to gather and analyze big data. Because as data continues to grow, so will privacy and security concerns. We've seen it on the news with companies like Facebook and Yahoo that have mismanaged their data in the past and have caused big, massive outbreaks on the news. And it's only a given that as time goes on, these companies will be responsible again for the same types of incidences. And that's why I was thinking to myself before, if privacy concerns and security are not at the forefront of big data research, then the future of big data may not be as good as we hope. However, I'm pretty hopeful that the companies that are working with big data right now, they're going to be pretty responsible about it going forward. Facebook said before, that they've wanted to make their own strides to self-regulate so as to keep the government out. They have a good thing going for them right now. So if they manage to screw this up going forward, they might eliminate some of the benefits that they have now. Anyways, these are just some of the speculations that I've come up with, and I think may be accurate for big data within the next 5 years. However, only time will tell. But anyways, thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope you learned something here today. If not, like, comment, subscribe, let me know below. Thank you.